Welcome to Mikey's Jossum channel again. So, we are doing the fart book.
Oh boy. What is the fart book?
Where you talk about farts.
And what are you going to show us today?
All the different kinds of farts in the world. Number 1, Cinematical Blasto.
The seismic fart.
The seismic blast.
Okay.
Number 2, the silent but deadly. That guy did it. And his face is cracked. Blowing smoke.
Who do you know that does that one?
You!
Me? All right.
The one that got away.
All right, moving on.
The fight of the buttock bees. They should make that into a song. The poof. Boo, boo. In between states. The sleeping dog. Beep. And this one we're gonna wait for. The aftershock. The long goodbye. I'm still old and I'm farting.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I stopped.
Is that all of them?
Yep. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.